Copy our model to a new layer. This is a precaution in case we ruin the model. Since the center of the model has practically no small parts, we only process the silhouette. Hide the inactive models with the slash key on the numpad. Cut off the front of the model, so it would be more convenient for us to edit. Select the model that you want to separate. Let's round the faces as seen on the reference. For this, we separate some faces by pressing V. Make a chamfer by pressing Ctrl B. Let's make the front part of the model a bit smaller. Add clipping for the mirror modifier. This will glue our faces at the junction. Add smooth. To get a more correct display, add the auto smooth function. Now select the middle part of the object and delete the extra polygons at the junction. Then we'll separate another part of the model. Let's hide all unnecessary objects and add polygons to our model. Remove doubles function removes lines and vertices. Add a chamfer, change its profile, make it more flat, and then equalize. Add smooth and auto smooth. Hide unnecessary objects and edit the bottom part. Use the Ctrl R keys to add new faces. Turn on proportional modeling. Retaining the mouse wheel changes the diameter. Add chamfer. Let's add another detail, a cylinder at the bottom. Create a cylinder, then change the number of faces to 16. Add faces and extrude new polygons, then increase them horizontally. Add a smooth modifier. Add new faces for detailing. Adjust the size of the gun under the body of the turret. Don't worry, this isn't the final model. In the following videos we will add smaller details such as bolts, covers, and radiators.